What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me for another 10-minute cardio. No equipment is required. Again, I'm not alone here. I got my very good friend Stacy over here.
Hello, everyone.
Nice and easy. We're just gonna jog it in place. Start with that one up here. Okay, so this is 10 minutes of cardio. Again, no equipment is required. You go at your own pace. You slow down any of the moves if you need to. It's always about you, okay? We don't take any breaks. But if you need that break, you absolutely need to take a little breath. Go ahead and do it, and then just join right back into that workout. Join right back into that exercise. Again, it's always to do what you can, challenging yourself as much as possible. All right, so I'm just jogging in place, nice and easy. Low impact is you just march it on out. You slow down any of the cardio moves, that's okay. Breathe in, warming that body up. How are we doing, Stacey?
Awesome.
Awesome so far?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. Nice and easy, just breathe. Control the breath. Get into a good breathing pattern. It's gonna help you last longer with any of the cardio, okay? All right, just a few more seconds here with that warm up. And then we're gonna go right into a jump rope. Jump rope with some high knees here. Imaginary jump rope, bouncing on those toes. Back is nice and tall, core engaged. Get those knees the best height you can. Again, if you need a little lower impact, you can just march it out right here, okay? This is not low impact. Or you have that higher, a little faster, moving those arms, keep it breathing. Keeping that back nice and tall. Again, my toes are the only thing touching the ground here. I try to keep my heels off. Okay, so you can go a little bit faster with that without flat footing it. 30 seconds left. Keep going, keep it breathing. Good job, everybody. Do what you can as always. All right, keep those arms going. Get that jump rope over, okay? Don't get lazy with those arms, with those wrists. All right, imaginary jump rope right over that body. Almost there, everyone, almost there. Going right into our jumping jacks right after this, right here. Get those hands all the way up, all the way down. Full range of motion here. Again, toes down, heels off the ground. Exhale that breath as you bring those hands up. Inhale as you come down. That's gonna help you get into that good breathing pattern. Like I said earlier, it's gonna help you last longer. It's gonna help you push harder. It's gonna help you burn more calories. Nice work. Again, slide bending those elbows, okay? No straight arms here. Awesome job. Low impact. Right here, just 1 foot at a time, no jump required. If you have bad knees or bad ankles, that's okay. 15 seconds. Then we move on. Get that sweat dripping. Pushing that body. Pushing that speed, pushing that cardio. Alright, we're gonna go into a jump rope split. So you're gonna bring 1 foot forward, and we're just gonna switch. Good. Keep those arms ready. Nice job, breathe. Keep it working. Okay, keep those toes down, heels are off. It's gonna be a smoother transition. And as always, these might be a little bit more difficult for you. If it's your first time doing them, just do what you can. Any variation that you're able to do is totally fine. 30 seconds. Yeah, we got a lot of cardio, okay? A lot of cardio. 10 minutes worth. Full workout here. You keep breathing. You keep working. How are we doing?
Awesome.
Awesome still? Breathing?
I am breathing.
All right, next cardio, pyramid jack. So we're gonna take those hands at center. Catch the breath if you need to. And you come up. Nice. Good job, good job. Same thing here. You can do a 1 foot step to the side. If you need a little lower impact. Or if you just need to catch the breath, but you don't want to stop, you can meet me here. Get those hands all the way up, all the way down. Keep bouncing. Keep breathing. You got this. Nice job. Again, anytime if you need that water break, you can take it, but then get right back in it. And yeah, if you take more breaks this time, try this workout again and try with a little less breaks. It's all about progress. It's all about challenging yourselves. All right, next part, we're gonna do a little side crunch. Make sure you have enough room on the side. Side crunch, do a kick out. So side crunch, kick. We'll do about 30 seconds on this side, 30 seconds on the other side. Get that elbow down to that knee, getting that side crunch here, working that balance with that kick. Good. Exhaling that breath every single crunch. And on that kick out, okay, so somewhere in between, we breathe. Switch sides, other side. Nice job. You got it, Stacy. Keep it going. Keep breathing. Nice work, everybody. How we doing out there? Woo, 15 seconds. Feel the sweat dripping. Breathing heavy. Almost there. Right after this, we're going into a speed bag with that butt kick. All right, so speed bag, hands above the head. Heels come up, touching that bottom with your heels if you can. Hands right above the head, working the shoulders, and still breathing. Can you bend those knees a little bit more? Can you get those heels up a little bit higher? Good job. 30 seconds. All right, we're almost there. We're gonna hit one more cardio move after this. And then our final move today is gonna be a little slower pace, just to catch the breath, just to start cooling down that body, slowing down the heart rate. Keep going, everybody, keep it working. 10 seconds here. Next move is gonna be knee repeaters. Heels up, heels up. All right, we're gonna reach those hands out. Knee repeaters, you're gonna bring the hand to knee. You could be here, or you can pick up that speed a little bit faster, okay? Exhale that breath. Exhale every time you bring that hand to knee. We'll be 30 seconds this side, and then we'll switch 30 seconds to the other side. Okay, that foot does not stay on the ground for too long. And you tap that ground, you bring it right back up. Almost there. Other side. Last 30 seconds here. Nice work, everybody. Nice work. This is our last cardio move here. Stay strong. Keep breathing. Keep working. Keep pushing. All the way to the end. Exhale that breath. Inhale to come back as you reset. Nice work. Almost there. All right, go ahead and bring it on down. Feet shoulder width apart. Hands coming up. Bring it down. And up. Okay, hands up, squatting back, catching the breath. Make sure those knees bend forward. Hips come back. Back is nice and tall. Great job. Great job, everyone. Exhale, you come on up. Keep going. Keep breathing. Keep sweating. You guys did awesome today. Almost there. Alright, go to bring it on now. We're going to finish up right here. Just nice and easy tongue twist. This side to side. Working some obliques here. Little bonus move here with the side abs. Nice and easy, just twist. Now we're going to reach out the arm. Reach it out to the side. A little more reach. Make sure both feet stay planted on that ground. Reach that hand out. Good job. Final 30 seconds here. And then we stretch it out and we pull down. Awesome job, everyone. Last 20, we're going to reach up to the corners here. Reach it up a little bit higher. Good. Extend that arm up. Almost there. Alright, go ahead and relax. Take a quick breather here. Finished off that 10 minutes. We're just gonna do a nice quick stretch here. We're just gonna pull in that one foot up. Quad stretch here. Hold the balance or hold an object next to you. Make sure that back is nice and tall. Make sure your knees are together. Bend knee, it always points to the ground. Alright, we're gonna extend this leg out. You're gonna slowly reach for that foot, for that ankle. You can use the other knee for a little bit of support, getting that chest down towards that knee. Feel it right in the hamstring. Alright, bring it on up. Other foot's coming up. Quad stretch. Hold your balance once again. How do you do, everybody? How do you do, facing good? Sweating? Alright, gonna extend that leg down. Gonna reach for the other foot here. Again, you can use that other knee for support if you need it. Getting that chest down close towards that knee. Stretching out that hamstring. Back of the leg. Slowly bring it right back up. Taking one knee, we're gonna pull it right up. Bring it back just slightly enough so that you can pull that knee up as high as you can. Switch sides, drop that leg, other leg up. Keep it breathing. Pulling down the body, slowing down the breath here. Again, how many breaks did you take this workout? If you took a few, try this workout again. Go to bring that foot down. Try this workout again. Try to do less breaks, okay? It's always about doing what you can. Gonna lean it over. Just doing what you can, but even a little bit more every single time. Other side. Keep those feet wide. Lean into one side. Breathing into this stretch here. Bring those hands right back at center. We're gonna inhale the breath. You can open up the feet a little bit wider if you need to. Inhale the breath. We exhale. We come all the way down. Inhale. Exhale. Come all the way down. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. We inhale. Exhale. And give yourselves a hand. Good job, everybody. Good job, Stacey.
Good job.
Awesome work. Again, stay fit, stay flex, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel and check out all my other workout videos. Until next time, have a great rest of your day.
Bye, everyone.